Modular living room furniture systems, the best ideas for decorating the interior in a modern style. The heart of any home is the living room. Here we receive guests, relax and spend time with family and friends. Therefore, the basis of all interior solutions of this room are practicality, versatility and attractiveness. At the same time, designers recommend paying special attention to the choice of furniture, and the most relevant solution in this case are modular systems, which, if desired, allow you to modify the appearance of the living room without resorting to extra costs for the purchase of new pieces of furniture. If earlier the furniture set for the living room was purchased based on the dimensions of the longest wall, along which it was subsequently installed, today there is no need for this. Modular furniture is a set consisting of various items that, if desired, can be combined with each other and rearranged. Features of modular furniture. As we have already said, modular furniture systems are an ensemble of small and easily moved items. This is like a set of parts of the famous Lego constructor, from which you can create something special and individual. You can safely add or, conversely, remove various sections until you find the optimal solution that will emphasize the modern design style and suit all residents in terms of functionality. The positive aspects of modular systems for the living room include the possibility of creating a unique interior and the mobility of all components. Such systems are compact, low cost and are perfect for small spaces. In the list of disadvantages of modular furniture, the monotony of forms and minimalistic design. It should also be borne in mind that during the production of furniture, manufacturers do not take into account the size of the premises. If the living room has some defects or an unusual layout, for example, niches or rounded walls, in such a situation, custom-made furniture should be purchased. Modular systems for the living room, types of furniture. Despite the fact that modern modular furniture includes a wide range of items, you do not have to purchase them all, and then spend time compactly placing the details around the living room or even the apartment as a whole. The main feature of such furniture is that each item does not depend on the other and can be used as an independent element. In a long list of modular units, there are all kinds of floor cabinets and hanging cabinets with a variety of door designs, compact walls, corner cabinet models, chests of drawers and cabinets of various sizes, tables and miniature tables, spacious shelves and decorative shelves, as well as shelving, sideboards, secretaries and other side cabinets, elements. Therefore, before buying or individual ordering furniture, you just have to decide on the materials, the number of sections, the size and color of the structures. Materials. In most variations, slabs or natural wood are used to make the frame of modular furniture, which subsequently affects the cost of finished products. And in this case, the choice of furniture depends only on your preferences and financial capabilities. The upper part of the sections is lined with veneer or decorative film and covered with a layer of varnish or acrylic, which protects the surface of objects from minor external damage, humidity and temperature changes. Glass is used for the manufacture of facades or as decorative inserts. In designer products, you can find types of finishes made of genuine leather or textiles. All fittings and other decor, as a rule, are made of metal. However, this fact does not exclude the presence of plastic. actual dimensions. Just like other types of furniture, modular structures are made to certain sizes, and in this case, the mobility of objects should not be combined with dimensions. The ability to rearrange sections if necessary has nothing to do with the height and width of objects. These parameters, as you understand, remain unchanged, especially when it comes to ordering custom-made furniture. Thus, the typical width of a vertical cabinet, for example, varies from 40 to 60 or 80 centimeters. You can find the dimensions of horizontal or corner structures in any of the proposed catalogs of the manufacturer. Color solution. An equally important and significant detail when choosing modular furniture is its color, because, according to designers, it is the color palette of the living room that creates the first impression of the interior, helps to correctly place accents and emphasize the dignity of the room. Given the ever-changing fashion trends, modern manufacturers are trying to produce modular systems in typical and most popular colors that imitate wood quite plausibly. It can be beech, elm, alder, cherry or apple tree. Furniture with mahogany, cedar, white or dark oak, golden or Italian walnut, as well as when your patina looks no less original and attractive. Wood shades are acceptable for the manufacture of veneer structures. Monochromatic glossy facades can be made in black, white, red, blue and any other color. Examples of modular furniture in a modern style. The interior of the living room can be made in any style. However, constant updates in the world of design are increasingly pushing homeowners to give preference to modern trends, the basis of which is conciseness and a harmonious combination of comfort with a minimum number of items. We will talk about how to choose the right modular system for a particular style further. Minimalism. The ideal solution for arranging a living room in a minimalist style will be compact modular systems that are simple and concise. Designs with clear lines and right angles in this case are just perfect. Minimalism is monochromatic smooth facades with minimal or no decor, as well as muted shades, a small number of shelves and doors. High-tech. High-tech living room furniture is characterized by a set of modern materials. Here you can confidently use plastic, glass and metal. Glossy surfaces, bright accents and simplicity of forms create an amazing trio, as a result of which the pieces of furniture not only fulfill their functional duties, but also decorate the room. Neoclassic. Living room design in this direction is a combination of details related to conservatism and modernity. In other words, the spectacular decoration of the walls can be safely supplemented with laconic furniture or, on the contrary, refresh the calm color scheme of the living room with the help of sophisticated and luxurious accessories. Scandinavian style. The main feature of this style solution is quality, functionality and convenience. Therefore, the most successful solution will be laconic modular systems made of natural wood, with a minimum amount of decor, in light colors, which will visually expand the space and give the room a feeling of lightness and airiness. Modular living room furniture is at the same time a modern, practical and comfortable furnishing option. Massive headsets with bulky structures that cannot be moved during interior renovation have long faded into the background. In addition, high-quality materials, glossy facades and the color scheme of modular systems allow you to adjust the space in the room. Do not limit yourself in your choice, play with color, style and make your own ideas come true.